I know you must have seen the video where I was wearing an Afro puff, and on YouTube, some people requested for the tutorial, which I already filmed. Okay, I just haven't had the time to edit, which I am doing today. Okay, so this is basically how I did that hairstyle. I basically just took my hair out. I can't remember what hairstyle I had on before this. So I just took down the hair and this is how my hair looked. Okay. I've not even washed, I've not combed a hair, nothing. I just went straight to, doing this hairstyle because, I intend to do all the hair care stuff later this hairstyle. Okay. So, first of all, I added the hair cream from Garnier. See, that hair cream makes my hair feel so soft, which is why I didn't bother to do anything to my hair before, you know, um, considering doing this hairstyle. You get because that cream just gives my hair the softness it needs, right? So once I applied that, and then I went ahead to use my what's it called, edge control, the one I usually use in braiding my hair. So I thought to add that to my edges to see if my edge was slick. But baby, I've mentioned a couple of times here that I haven't seen any hair product, rather styling gel or edge control that can lay my edges. I haven't seen, oh, okay. So I thought I could, work my way out. Hence why I added the styling gel first, and then I went ahead with the gel from Garnier as well. I added that around the head and I just brushed a little bit with the rat take comb. Once I was satisfied how that looked, then I took my string, I just wrap it around. So basically what I'm trying to do here is to create the half puff, okay? Yeah, this was a hairstyle, I mean an idea I had in my head. I thought I could bring it to life, right? So I did that, but if you know me, if you know when I do my wash and go, this is usually my or rather this used to it used to because I found a favorite now. So this used to be my go-to hairstyle, right? So I just put my hair in a mini puff like you can see right here, and then I'm going to show you what the style of the day looks like. Does that make sense? Anyways, so there is this Afro puff hair I got off the TikTok shop, which I'm also going to link on here. If you're interested, you can go get it. Yeah. So before I do that, I just used my hands to kind of fluff my hair out. My God, you guys, I was screaming behind camera. See how much my hair has gotten better. So I just had to cut off that part because I was really acting out of character. Yes, let me put it like that. Anyways, so this is the style of the day. This is the Afro puff. Basically you use this to do like if you have how am I going to explain this now? Yeah, it's for Afro puff, but the kind of Afro puff that I am doing is more of I don't know how to explain that to you guys, but yeah, this actual hair is not specifically for this, but I thought to wing it out, okay? So as you can tell, the hair is really too small to create for me to create this hairstyle, but I worked my way out. Okay, so after securing the pin, or rather securing the hair with the pins that came with it. So the back of it was widely open. I could not think of what to do. So I thought of, okay, why don't I just pick some of the hair and wrap it around the string I use in pulling my hair up? You get, and that was what I did. Voila, you guys. It came out really nice, beyond my expectation, to be honest. On this day, I was looking for my bobby pins. I could not find any bobby pin. Ah, but waiting go work sharp. So that was how I just played and do whatever with this hair, and it turned out like this. I was amazed. I was surprised, and this is the final look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you like it, please drop the comment in the comment section below. And I want to quickly say thank you to everyone who has bought this hair. Ah, now wow, okay, sharp. But this is it. Thank you, everyone, and bye, y'all.